Hey everyone, Giller at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to continue on here with your emergency survival plans. And the one we're going to be talking about today is Meteor Impact Survival Plan. Now, some of you are probably snickering and stuff, but hang on. How often do meteors make impact with the Earth? A lot more than you think. There are hundreds that make impact every year. Some are real small. Granted, we don't have anything huge like the one that hit the Yucatan Peninsula or the one that hit down in Arizona at Meteor Crater. But there are some that are hitting all the time. And it's only a matter of time until we have another big one that hits. Whether it's going to be in our lifetime or not, don't know. If it's going to be even on the American continent, I don't know. But the thing is, if you are worried about it, get your plan in place. It's just one of those things that you need to think about. And if it's something that you are concerned about, get a plan going, work out what you need to work out so that you feel good about being able to survive a meteor impact. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Add a new skill every month and practice growing indoor food because next year we're going to have the indoor food challenge. All right? Why? Well, have you been paying attention to what's going on with our food supply, especially with the strange stuff going on with fresh vegetables?